They say the best relationships start with friendship. But what happens when one heart begins to feel something more and the other doesn't? This is my story of how I feel for my best friend, and now I learn that not every love story ends the way we hope.
Hey, you've been quiet for a while. Is everything okay?
Yeah, just thinking.
About what?
Nothing else, just keep studying. We've been friends for years. She's my safe place, my person, but what if telling her changed everything?
See you tomorrow, Marco.
You too. More than friends, but less than lovers. Tell us the hardest battles are often the ones we fight with ourselves. Marco's decision is to confess to Luna, knowing her heart sees him only as a friend, shows the courage and vulnerability that come with love. It reminds us that not all feelings are returned, but honestly can bring clarity, and sometimes acceptance is the trust from of love. Should I tell her my true feelings for her? What if I would tell her change everything? No, I need to tell her the truth. Luna, can I tell you something?
Of course, what's wrong?
We've been friends for so long, and I think I've fallen for you.